Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Marseille, France, and this is the Cathédrale Major, not the Notre Dame on the hill that we just did, but this is La Major. And so we're going to go in and see it together, if I'm saying the name right, and I'm sure I'm not, but it should be interesting anyway. So this is the church, and it is just enormous and just amazing. Wow. Wow, wow. And it's full of black and white stones and certainly incredible. Wow. Yeah, very pretty, very cool. Look at the people on top and the, wow. And the ocean and the sea, sorry, is right out there to the left of this. But, wow. Let me get back this way and see if I can get you a better picture. So I'm going to try to turn my camera over and see if I can capture this. Will it do it upside down? Right side up? I don't know if that worked, but let me take some pictures and I'll be right back. Bye everybody. Okay. So this is the church, and it'll be amazing. Let me show these people too. Okay everybody, I'm done. I was just showing them how to do my so that's what you do with the camera. You put the lens close to the water and then you get the reflection, and it's just an amazing event. Okay, so here we go. Let's go inside and look at this church. Wonderful. And at least it's not raining anymore, but it's, I think, gonna start here again soon, so. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wow. You know, I get asked a lot, why do you always go to churches? This is why. They spend every bit of money that they get in these kind of buildings, and the architecturism is just amazing, and the arches is amazing, the arts are amazing, the pillars, the sky, the ceiling. I mean, just looking at this ceiling alone is worth coming here. And so, you know, if they had millions of dollars, they spend 9/10 of it right here. And so this is just incredible. And some of the churches, you end up going to Rome, and then they've got, you know, it's full of Michelangelo, or it's full of Bernini, or Caravaggio, or all those types of things. And it's just spectacular. And this is why I come to these. You know, you wouldn't spend this much money on an apartment. You wouldn't spend this much money on a house. You wouldn't have art like this in your house. You wouldn't have, you know, tile floors this big. You wouldn't have red and white, stone brought in from all over the world. But a church would. I mean, just looking at the tile alone, look at that. And having one of those is amazing. But having the floor full of those is why we're here, God gets the money. And having a dome like this, I can't tell you how much I just want to fold up an airplane and just flip that thing and see how far it'll go, It's just cool. All right, I'll stop talking. Enjoy your building. I guess it warms my heart too, that these things exist. And all right, I said I was going to stop talking, but I guess I'm not done talking yet. So where did you get a 15-foot statue? Or how about stained glass in every single window? I know, it's a church, but it's money. It's somebody's ideas. They didn't hire Bob off the street to put in stained glass. They didn't have somebody design this that was, in a bus station. They selected people after interviewing them. They ask what they want to do and how they want to do it. And, like this table, each corner has a different figurine on the table, so it's just amazing. And look how big this place is. It's crazy. This is why we go to churches. Staggeringly amazing. Look at the nativity scene too. You know what? You wouldn't have a nativity scene like this, at a train station. You wouldn't have it in your house. You wouldn't have it at a mall. Well, you could probably have it at a mall if it was a big enough mall, but yeah. And again, the floors. What's it take just to make just that one little floor, just like that mosaic? But this one's a star. That one's like a flower. This one's like a trapezoidal kind of square thing, and then another star, and then every one is different. And look down there. It just is crazy. And then, we've talked about this in my other videos. This is red marble. That only comes from Egypt, if I understood things right. Red and green, is that what it was? Red and green come from, Egypt? It's been a long time, but, and then look at this hallway, here's a room that's locked and then doors, but watch. The arches, the engineering alone, the engineering of this arch is staggering that goes into it. Somebody had to do mathematical loads, mathematical calculations, and then Wow. It's just incredible. So my video ought to stop somewhere, so I don't know why, but anyway. Look at the inlay work inside the stone. Pretty amazing, everybody.